Now for the hard part. Taking this fender off and changing this. So we're gonna go ahead and get the right tools, get set up, and I'll walk you guys through it. This is Bella. Hi, Bella. So you guys met Bella, the Yorkie. Now I got a new member of the family. This is Luna. She's a little bully. Not a bully like that, like a bully, pit bull. So she'll be my little shop girl, right? Yes, right, yes. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and remove the bezel around the light. So we almost made a mistake and started prying from here, which you don't want to do. You just want to take the top, pop it down, and it pops right out. Ain't that right?
They got 4 of them, 4 screws around the light.
Sorry. We're back to this.
They got 4 screws.
So there's 4 screws around the light. And you're gonna go ahead and undo them.
They're Phillips.
Phillips. The guy's name is Philip that invented the screw. So I gotta find that guy on YouTube that I've been following to train dogs in, and it actually works. I've only had her 3 days and she's learning. She's already an attack dog. And my buddy Vic has a Rottweiler and he's just jealous. Okay, so after a little investigation, I can't get the camera in there. So if you put your hand right through here, not here, not here, here, there's literally a little plug right there, 2-prong, and that's where the light for that goes. So hang on 1 second, let me see if I get a better video. So actually, nope, I can't get a video of it. But anyway, in that spot you can see it. So
See if we can plug it. I just want to make sure it lights. You don't want to go.
That's gonna be hard to do, but we can try.
It's got to be like a thing to pop it off, you know?
hey, Luna,
I get zip tied up.
Luna,
Yeah, that's gonna be hard to freaking.
That's why they did the
Sit.
freaking fairing off. But can you work it and plug it?
I'm trying. It's probably gonna be hard as
Look
hell.
at the freaking.
we literally just had a competition of who could get this thing in here so we could test it. So this is the plug, and the little dick beater hands won. I probably can't say that on YouTube, but anyway, we turned it on. It lights up. It looks awesome. So now we have to remove the fairing.
That shit good.
So you got to pull these off.
So you have to pull your pockets out.
That's
Which
that.
are what? How'd you do it?
It just lifts and slides out.
Okay.
I did this one the same way, but I left it hanging for the plug.
Okay.
They got
That's
to take
my
this.
brother Gio.
They
Say
got,
what up, Gio?
What up? What
we got
up?
to take the speaker lids off, so we just pop that off.
Speaker lids just pop right off, which is
Take
cool.
that off. Put that over there. Somewhere it don't get.
Pretty good speakers. Somebody said they could hear you from far. I was like, dang, really on that shit is like.
Just look like kickers.
So this guy wants to show
This one-
his sneakers. He's a sneaker guy.
Oh yeah.
Oh, they're Jordan.
Off-white 4s, baby.
Off-white 4s.
Off-white 4s, baby.
Who cares? I'm too broke for those. Okay, so we remove these 3. Now there's another one right underneath the speaker. It's just like the Kawasaki. Huh? And there's one there. Yep.
And on
Just like
the
my
other
mic.
side.
Same on the other side. Speakers are pretty cool. Floating tweeter. And I do need to do a video on the DS18 speakers. And I promise I will do it this week. I'm on vacation, so I'll do it this week. So we're taking the fairing off. Yeah. So how many bolts
It's
is
a
there?
6 millimeter.
6 millimeter.
3 in the front. There's 2 here and 1 kind of up here.
There you go. Oh, so you guys know. Oh, the battery is down here, which makes no fucking sense. Oh, makes no sense to me. I mean, you would think it would get water all in it, but
Bro, it's Nickelodeon or it's YouTube.
That means the other
so somebody said 6, but there's actually 8. So there's another.
That's why I seen the bike go like that a little bit. I'm
There's
like,
another 2 bolts here. So if you see where my hand is, so it's 7 and 7:30 seconds.
said that you got me for all these Christmases.
I don't know how this happened, but for the sake of YouTube, now I'm working. Okay, so I got it out. I got it. It's stuck to it. Trust me. So that's it. Here you go. All right, so there it is. She comes off. So we're not endorsing you guys to do this, by the way, because this is a 2021, and I don't know warranty wise what happens, but hang on. So basically, there's 3 plugs. See, we were fighting with it, trying to cut these tie wraps. Don't do that. We figured out unplug this one, and this one, and the fairing will come right off. So that's your plugs. So it's a 6 millimeter Allen to remove the fender. 4 bolts. 4 bolts. 2 and then 2. And hopefully it comes right off.
That's my closest thing to a whistle I got.
There we go.
All right.
Oh, was she
It does have
naked?
the channel for the wires.
So, literally 2 Allens holds that in. It's got the channel,
For the wire.
tie wrap your wire all the way through. You feed it up the forks. You follow
Follow it up the back.
your brake line.
Come to
And
the
that's
top.
that.
Plug on it.
So we have a war bonnet for sale too.
Plain Jane.
So before we put this thing back together, I kind of want to go through and show you guys just how everything works. Dude, here, hold up, undo that, take that out. So just so you guys can see, because not too many people are brave enough to break into a 2021 Indian, and we did. So we'll show you.
Those are the 2 screws he's taking off there. Or
Why
Allen's.
does he sound like he's slow?
I am slow. They call me the sloth.
Or you just,
So you take this,
you just be flexing.
feed it through,
I spend hours
and
editing. You got it right?
and with a
Gucci.
little assistance.
At least they leave everything
At
in
least I
there
have
for you.
help today.
And they leave
At least
everything
we have
already
help today.
ready for upgrades.
I charge Hollywood.
You don't
rates
have to
for
buy
like-
the light, the inner
The clips.
running, all the everything is
Oh,
already
look at
set up.
this. Everybody wants to.
And they're gonna show this is pretty good.
What's the brand?
What?
It's factory or?
Yeah,
Oh.
that's on the front.
Oh, I don't know.
2021.
Yeah, there's not much
So,
aftermarket parts.
Let's just
Yeah.
check, make sure she's centered because it's got some room. That looks pretty good. So I want to say this. Big shout out to Indian for at least leaving and being smart enough to leave a tray for people that want to do upgrades. Most people don't think that far ahead.
Or they make you buy everything.
Or they make you buy everything. So that is really big. I don't care what you say, Harley guys. You guys are too expensive. Even though I kind of want one.
Rubber.
I know.
Okay, crazy.
So then now, I'll let him move his bike.
He's running it through the channel.
You want to put a little piece of tape over it just in case? He's got money.
Nah, it ain't going.
Oh yeah, that goes in good.
It goes in real good.
What did this bonnet cost you?
104.
$104. So if you don't want to buy the midnight or whatever, what is it called?
The
Dark Horse version, and you want to add the pieces, at least you don't have to break your pocket for it. Hit me up. I'll charge you to do this too. So.
Yeah. It takes a little time, but it avoids you rubbing your the wire all over the
Who's this guy
tire.
talking on my video though?
Yo, check my YouTube out.
So,
Hit me on Instagram.
lovely so slow.
Yeah.
Sloth 89 69 26 sucks dicks. I mean, just kidding.
There we go.
So,
Now it's in.
just to show you your tray, everything tucks in real nice and neat, comes along, bam, and then you tie wrap all this to your brake line,
And bring it up.
feed it into the harness.
That's it.
Put it back.
So we're gonna replace that factory radio or amp with this tar amp. Get at me, DS 250 times 2, 250 watts. We had this in the Harley prior, and it's pretty loud. So this is for a future video, but this will be what we do next. Maybe with some speaker upgrades. It runs here.
You bring it along. You gotta
Tie wrap it to your brake line.
And there's a clip right
Feed
here
it up.
that you can share.
And there's a clip that you can tie wrap it to.
You push it in. You see, so it's pushed in the clip now.
Push it in, run it up however you need to, and bam, plugs in right there.
Yeah. I mean, that one is perfect size. A perfect length, I mean.
And this is what I like to do. I like to break into new stuff. I don't even care. I kind of would like to get something different and keep my Kawasaki. You stupid. And keep my Kawasaki and still have something else. But that's what it looks like. It's pretty slick.
Right.
Certified Indian mechanic, not. Just kidding.
Very nice.
Very nice. But I will say it's pretty pretty simple, nothing too hard.
Simple, but it's
Just
big
takes
up.
time. It's new, nerve-wracking because you're breaking into a 2021, and it just is what it is. I mean, just take your time. Hopefully my video could help you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing down, and we're gonna do a reverse steps of what we did. Holla. So yeah, so that's that. Basically, take your time. Don't be nervous. If you feel like you're gonna mess something up, just stop. All right, don't mess your bike up over a little light like this. Anyway, more stuff to come. Hopefully, I could keep this channel going and keep working and do what I love. Future videos, amp install, speaker install. I got more stuff for the Kawasaki coming.
Exhaust.
Oh, exhaust. We do have a pretty cool video coming up for an exhaust. I have more Kawasaki content. We're going to do probably subwoofers and another amp. Maybe. We'll see. Honda, I will do some reviews on the Honda. That's sold. So the guy that I sold it to is a good friend, so I'll still do videos on that. Anyway, hit the like button. Thank you guys for watching, the people that have supported. Hit the like, turn your notifications on, and subscribe. Thank you. 2021 Indian, job well done. 2 jobs, 1 day.